Imagine a world where you never quite knew where your space ended and someone else's began. It would be a constant source of tension and uncertainty, right? Understanding the clear lines of ownership is fundamental to peaceful coexistence and individual liberty. From a libertarian perspective, clear private property demarcation is defined by visible, understandable, and mutually recognized boundaries that establish legitimate ownership claims. This clarity is essential for avoiding conflicts and allowing individuals to freely use and enjoy their resources without interference. The core mechanism behind this demarcation lies in the principle of original appropriation, often rooted in John Locke's concept of homesteading. When an unowned resource is first mixed with an individual's labor, that individual gains a legitimate claim to it. This act of mixing labor creates the initial boundary, making the previously unowned resource private property. The non-aggression principle then serves to protect this justly acquired property, prohibiting others from initiating force against it. Demarcation is therefore about making this original appropriation clear and respected. Practically, clear demarcation is achieved through a combination of physical markers, documented records, and social understanding. This could mean a fence line, a surveyor's stake, a written deed, or even a community's long-standing recognition of a particular boundary. For less tangible forms of property, like intellectual creations, demarcation involves legal protections and patents that define the scope of ownership. The key is that the boundary must be observable or ascertainable by others, so they know where one person's sphere of control ends and another's begins. A crucial aspect of libertarian property theory is that this initial acquisition, through homesteading, must leave enough and as good for others, often called the Lockean proviso. This ensures that property acquisition does not unjustly diminish the opportunities for others to acquire property themselves. This differs significantly from concepts like adverse possession, where property can be acquired through mere use over time, which many libertarians view as a violation of the original owner's rights. Instead, libertarian demarcation emphasizes voluntary transfers and clear, consensual agreements. Ultimately, clear private property demarcation is not just about drawing lines on a map. It is about fostering a society where individuals can thrive, secure in the knowledge that their efforts and resources are protected. It promotes productivity by guaranteeing that the fruits of one's labor will not be arbitrarily seized, encourages voluntary exchange, and minimizes disputes, all of which are vital for a truly free and prosperous community.